Today I'm gonna review this keyboard. This is a wireless iCleaver keyboard. It's compatible with Mac or other any Bluetooth devices. 1 year 2 months I used this keyboard. The surface of this keyboard is really very insane. The comfort of the typing is perfect, is superb, and this is rechargeable keyboard. And the good thing is that you don't need to keep extra USB for this keyboard. And this keyboard, if you charge one time, it will stay like 15 days or 20 days. So here you can see the port. If you press this one, it will now red, so it will become green. So here you can see I can connect this keyboard at the same time 3 computers. First, in my Mac, if I press in the keyboard 1, then press 1, then you can see it's connected with my Mac. So if I type or remove something from here, it works. So if I press here 2, then it connect with my Surface Pro laptop. Here you can see if I write something, it works. And then what I did, if I press 3, then I can type TV. You can see over there, for example, if I find fun something, fun CLUB, fun club, so it works. So this is a perfect keyboard. Definitely I recommend it to buy this keyboard. It's really awesome. If you go to Amazon, the price only 36.99 is 37 euro. It's according the price. I got this keyboard really perfect, superb, recommended to buy. Thank you.